Isn't it bad luck to change your name, Oliver?
That's what they say. I say it's good luck. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the greatest YouTube channel of all time. The greatest YouTube channel of all time. Got my brother.
Hey there.
He's here. Got my kitty. And I'm feeling a little sick, a little under the weather. Something has been bit by something. And but on this episode, what I'm going to do is change the boat's name officially, make this vessel my ship. It's windy today, so it's going to be challenging. It's probably going to rain a bit. And then also, I'll update you on the rudder situation that we've discovered. So when I dropped the rudder fully, and I wish I caught this sooner, but I didn't. Between the hull and the rudder, there's a spacer there, and Pacific Seacraft sent me new ones to put there. And I was cleaning the shaft, going through it a bit, and I finally took that spacing off. When I took that spacing off, I found some crevice corrosion, which turns out to be a bit of a problem. And I had the guys look at it here, and they were a little concerned. And I called Pacific Seacraft, and they were also a little concerned about it. But it turns out it's not gone super deep, but there's still Pacific Seacraft. Everybody has recommended Pacific Seacraft, including the guys here at Port Townsend Shipwrights, to put another stainless steel tube down the shaft. What they did to inspect the inside of the shaft is they used a camera, one of those, what is it called, cameras? Probe camera, probe scope, an anal probe that they put down the shaft of the rudder, and it looked clean on the inside, but just to be precautious, they're going to build another stainless steel tube that goes inside the diameter of that shaft to help support the overall entire structure, which comes from everybody's recommendation. So that is what I'm gonna do. And so the rudder's not going up until further notice. I'm not entirely sure yet how long it's going to take them to do that. They're not entirely sure yet either, which is a doozy. But it's why I took the rudder down. It's to inspect everything, to minimize, to ensure that I never have rudder failure again, which is why I did all that, and it worked out because I did discover something potentially critical. So, and that could certainly lead to something much worse, especially with the amount of that area where it is a high stress point, and sailing 8 to 9 months at sea with something that's already kind of a little bit corroded and worn out could certainly lead to something worse. So I'm glad I have some peace of mind knowing that that's going to be reinforced. But yeah, so that's what's going on there with the rudder. It's been a few days of just going back and forth with Pacific Seacraft and the guys here at Port Townsend Shipwrights, and but I'm definitely looking forward to the day I get to put that rudder back up. But today, what we're doing is we're changing the name, and I think we're just gonna get to it. This might be a short YouTube video. I'm not sure, but I've got my brother to help filming, and I just don't feel good, so I might not be talking a whole lot. But yeah, say let's get going.
It's windy today.
It's really windy. It's going to be really, really difficult. I'm just going to wash and buff this area. Freezing cold water. Very nice. Now I have to warm up my hands because they hurt really bad. And then we buff.
feeling?
I feel like complete dog shit. I feel like I was inside of a dog in their digestive system, and then I was let go from that dog. And now I'm sitting in a field, and at the same time somebody's walking their other dog, and they stepped in me. And now I feel like I'm just squished dog shit. I've ruined someone else's day. That's what I feel like.
What have you done so far, and what are you doing now?
I'm just using this cutting compound to try and kind of fade out the old name and obviously polish the hull. But it's not working out as well as the other side. I'm leaving quite a few streaks on here. I think what I've been doing is using too much, so I wasn't paying attention. And there's this side right here. It's got quite a few streaks that I'm having trouble trying to get rid of. So I'm not sure what that's all about. Looks good over here.
I think the speckles here is the gel coat. The white gel coat starting to come through. So I think I'm only going to worsen that if I keep blacking it. Painting. The boat is not on the agenda. What color would you paint it if you could?
I don't know.
I think I've never experienced a summer in a dark hull, so that would be something to experience. Depending on that, really comes down to that, because I know this dark hull like this will be really hot. So I'd probably paint it white. Let's do it again. Oh, the wind's died a little bit too, so let's just get this going while we can. And shout out to Andy and his wife Alicia. They made these decals for my last boat. They were my old boat neighbors, and Andy pretty much taught me how to sail. I would go on his boat spent about 3 months going on his boat like every other Sunday, and he would let me be crew racing his boat. So he truly saw that I knew absolutely nothing. And so shout out to them for doing this for me. It's really nice. I feel like it's all slanted up. Well, I mean, maybe not. It's just the contour of the boat. Maybe it's the Portland looks.
The shape of the paper doesn't help.
Yeah, the Portland looks kind of slanted up.
Does that look better?
Looks the same.
Really?
Yeah,
I can't tell from up
I
here.
still think it's slightly slanted down. The O side needs to come up.
There?
That's better. Isn't it bad luck to change your name, Oliver?
That's what they say. I say it's good luck. I hate every bit of doing this.
Yeah, it's high stakes.
Yeah. And I'm an impatient person. I think that worked out. That's like the hardest one. That one, this one, and the Portland one, and the Hailing Port one are the two hardest ones. I think that worked out though.
Oh fuck. Oh no.
1 second. Oh, I can't believe that worked.
Maybe for the people who don't know, what does Phoenix du Mar mean? Why'd you pick it?
Phoenix du Mar means Phoenix of the Sea. And in Portuguese, du Mar means of the sea. Because I'm half Portuguese on my mother's side. And I think it's fitting for this boat. Because this boat is made for the sea. And that's where it will be. It's a sea phoenix. Well, I did it. We did it. It says Phoenix du Mar, which means Phoenix of the Sea. Du Mar is Portuguese, because I am Portuguese. And we got the du is slanted down, the Mar is slanted up, so that's a bit of a doozy. And but I think it's fine. I think, have they seen the other side? We did the other side.
Yeah, let's
too.
look at the other side.
I think the other side looks better, to be honest. At least it's starting to rain.
Yeah,
right
now,
now.
literally perfect
Yeah.
timing.
But yeah, this is the other side here. I think it looks better. But yeah,
What about the placement on the other side? Which do you like the placement?
I like the placement on this one better.
You like the placement on this one?
Yeah. The other one's too low,
Yeah.
but we had to do that like that because the cat there. And this one seems like it's slanted down slightly. I'm not entirely sure. I don't really.
I think from a distance you're not going to notice
No,
anything.
it looks good. I
Yeah,
like it.
looks good.
Looks good. And I did it myself, you know.
Yeah.
Didn't need any professionals to come in and help me. So, changing a name, I think it's something you need to do yourself, you know. It needs to be,
Yeah, if you're not going to do the rituals,
yeah.
the least you can do is change it yourself.
Yeah. So, and I'm never going to change it, never going to touch it. One thing I'm not going to do is buff the entire hull. Because I don't want to. And I might have somebody do it, we'll see. I don't know. I don't really care. She's a weapon, not a show horse. You know, she's a work pony. So I'm gonna go drink a bottle of NyQuil and see if I can start to hallucinate tonight. So that's what I'm gonna do. But aside from that, Sailing Phoenix. And the greatest YouTube channel of all time. You almost forgot that I was, it's the greatest YouTube channel of all time. Sailing Phoenix is out.